Okay, so this is Peter's Professional 2010-20. This is a salt-like type of texture. Just to go ahead and kind of show it to you, you can see it's blue in color. Looks very similar to another type of fertilizer that's out there. But this one here is actually going to be a professional commercial grade. So if you're looking to actually fertilize something, especially your garden containers or container pots, this would be something I would recommend. Now I am going to use this Dram siphon jet, and I'm going to go ahead and actually connect it all together to kind of show you what it looks like all set up. Okay, so you've got your Dram siphon jet actually connected to your faucet, and then below that you're going to actually go ahead and put your water hose, and then it has this line that will go ahead and sit in your bucket, and it's actually going to suck up all of your water, your solution that you've mixed. So I've measured out my solution, and I'm going to go ahead and mix this all up and get it nice and diluted so that you can see what it looks like. Now, when I stick this little line into the water, you'll see that it sucks up into the actual hose, and that's what it's supposed to do. So it's going to actually suck up into that hose, and then it's going to dilute it again as you're watering your plants. Okay, so I have my solution all completely dissolved, and I do have my line all connected. And as you can see at the end of my water hose, I do have the small breaker head, which will allow the siphon jet to be able to actually push with enough pressure for it to be able to suck up the solution that it's using, the fertilizer that it's using, and push out enough water for it to be diluted. So thanks guys for watching, and y'all have a great day.